You know your car's misfiring, but how do you determine where the misfire is and what the cause is? It's usually down to a faulty coil, and modern engines tend to come with a separate coil for each spark plug. If you swap over the coils, don't obviously swap the leads that supply voltage to the coils. You're literally just swapping out the coils. If the misfire moves, you know it's a coil problem and you've identified where the fault is, and it's quite satisfying when we're able to do that. If the misfire doesn't move, it's probably down to a spark plug, and we should start looking elsewhere to diagnose the fault.